Hi, boys and girls. I am going to read you another pigeon book called Don't Let the Pigeons Stay Up Late. It is still written by Mo Willems. Oh, good, it's you. Listen, it's getting late and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeons stay up late. Thanks. First of all, I'm not even tired. In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party. What do you say? No? I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on, what's 5 more minutes in the grand scheme of things? What? What? I'm not tired! You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars. Can I have a glass of water? Studies show that pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. It's the middle of the day in China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. Hey, ho, ho. This here pigeon just won't go. Please. My bunny wants to stay up late too. You can't say no to a bunny, can you? Get this closer. Okay, that was not a yawn. I was stretching. I'm 110% awake. You haven't heard the last of me. Great work. Thanks. Good night. If you look really closely, you can see what the pigeon is dreaming about. Looks like a hot dog party. The end. I hope you enjoyed. Don't let the pigeons stay up late.